BMW won its 34th Ward's 10 Best trophy last year for its updated B58 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder in the X5 SUV. Make that 35 with this year's arrival of a high-output version of the B58. It didn't need improving, but Bavaria saw fit to add 47 horsepower and 39 pound-feet of torque for application in the M340i sedan, which is lighter and more nimble than the X5. So, with 382 ponies and 369 pound-feet of thrust, the newest B58 nabs another award with zero debate among judges. This 3-liter is ready for anything and is never out of breath, no matter how much flogging occurs near the red line. Improvements include a new twin-scroll turbocharger that is integrated into the steel exhaust manifold for more power. The direct fuel injection system operates at 350 bar, nearly twice the pressure of the previous 3 Series engine. And this B58 is a half-second faster, 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds with all-wheel drive. Stretching its legs, the M340i exhibits a glorious throaty exhaust note, especially when cycling through gears with paddle shifters. And here's the kicker. Even when driven hard, the M340i delivered better than 25 miles per gallon for most judges. That's outstanding.